Welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. I'm going to show you how to keep your ratchet straps from turning into a tangled mess like this and how to fix them if it's already too late. But first, I'm going to quickly go over the correct way to set up and use a ratchet strap.
Notice you have one fixed end that has a spool, handle, and hook. The other is a long adjustable strap with just a hook. Take the long strap and thread it through the slot in the center of the spool and pull it back out the front. You'll want to secure both sides of the hooks to anchor points. Now I'm using a flat surface to demonstrate, but typically I use these in my truck bed where there are secure D-rings. Then remove all of the slack. This is the crucial step that new users miss, which leads to a mess because you'll end up with too much of the strap inside the spool. You want at least 2 revolutions around the spool until your cargo is snug without overdoing it and causing damage. Then lock the ratchet handle into place and you're done. If you don't remove all of the slack, you'll soon end up with a jammed spool. Now, I've tried fixing this by taking a screwdriver and lifting the first layer of the strap to pull out the rest, and I've honestly ended up with an even bigger mess. So here's what I would suggest. Now, we're going to be taking this apart, so if you think you might forget the order it goes back in, snap a quick photo first. Take an object like an awl or Allen wrench and carefully push it in the hole of the cap to remove the pins on both sides. I put these in my pocket because they could easily be lost. Then take off the caps and push out the bars that make up the spool. Lay the gears and everything out in such a way that you'll know what direction and order they go in when we put it back together. The strap is free and you can carefully begin to piece everything back. The first bar is the hardest, but after everything is lined up, the second goes in easier. It might be a good idea to carefully give the ratchet a crank to double check the gears are facing the correct way. Then put the caps back on, making sure the holes line up with the little holes on the bars, and insert the pins. I had to gently tap mine back into place with a small pick hammer, and that's the last step. Your strap is officially fixed.
If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you'd like to learn how to keep your ratchet straps neat for storage, check out this link right here.